Hey there, Hackintosh enthusiasts! Struggling with getting your TP-Link WN722N to work on your Hackintosh? The TP-Link WN722N is a popular choice for adding Wi-Fi capabilities to your system, but getting it to perform flawlessly on a Hackintosh setup can sometimes be tricky. In this guide, we'll dive into how to fix TP-Link WN722N Hackintosh issues, enabling you to surf the web effortlessly on your custom macOS machine. Step 1. Ensuring compatibility. The first step to fixing your TP-Link WN722N on Hackintosh is to ensure you have a compatible version. The V1 version of this adapter with its Atheros chipset is known to work well with macOS using the right drivers, whereas the newer versions, V2 and V3, might not be inherently compatible. Double check the version by looking at the label on the back of your device. If you're stuck with an incompatible version, consider acquiring the V1 model or another adapter known for Hackintosh compatibility. Step 2. Downloading the right driver. With the right adapter version in hand, it's time to download the appropriate driver. The macOS doesn't natively support the TP-Link WN722N, but fear not. There are community-developed drivers available. Head over to sites like Tony MacX86 or Hackintosh Zone and search for the AR9271 chipset driver. This is what powers the V1 model. Download and open the installation packet, making sure to follow any additional instructions provided by the community for error-free installation. Step 3. Installing the driver. Once downloaded, installing the driver is a breeze. Run the installation package you just downloaded and follow the on-screen buttons to proceed through the setup. It's a good idea to disable your macOS system integrity protection in order to prevent any issues during installation. To do that, restart your computer. Hold down the Command plus R to enter recovery mode. Open Utilities, Terminal, and type CSRUTIL disable. Once you're done, restart your Hackintosh normally and complete the driver installation. Step 4. Configuring network preferences. After completing the driver installation, head over to your network preferences. You should see the TP-Link WN722N detected as a new network interface. Simply configure your Wi-Fi settings by choosing your Wi-Fi network and entering the password. Remember, you won't see the Wi-Fi symbol on the menu bar immediately. This can vary depending on the installed theme or configuration. Test your connection by opening a browser and accessing the web. With any luck, you'll be surfing the internet on your Hackintosh. Step 5. Troubleshooting common issues. Even with these steps, issues may still arise. Common problems include the adapter not appearing in network preferences or unstable connections. Double check that the driver you installed is compatible with your Mac OS version. A mismatch may occur if your OS has been recently updated. If problems persist, consider visiting Hackintosh community forums, where a wealth of knowledge and support from fellow builders can provide alternative solutions. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to fix TP-Link WN722N Hackintosh issues, hopefully unlocking seamless wireless connectivity on your custom-built Mac OS machine. By carefully following these steps, you can address common challenges, ensuring you have working Wi-Fi on your Hackintosh setup. Remember, the Hackintosh journey is filled with learning and experimentation, so embrace the process and enjoy the results. Happy surfing!